Hello, people. So, we have this hen which is brooding for the third time. Today is Saturday, June 18th, 2022. So, I kept 7 eggs under her in this like a little nesting uh, arrangement here. Mm, so, this is actually a device used for some construction purpose. So this is an old one here that we are not using it. So and this base here is a cocoa peat, which is really good because it sucks out all the moisture, unnecessary moisture. If you have moisture, that won't be healthy option for the hen nor even the chicks. So we'll see how many. I have kept 7 eggs. I have seen one yesterday. Okay, we got one empty shell here. Okay, one more here. I think I removed some of them yesterday night. I couldn't get the footage because the camera was inside. So okay, so let's see how many she has. What are they? You see, um, we have two that are red streaks. We have one that is darker in color. Um, two of them are darker in color. So these are like native breeds. This one is a mixed breed, which is really good in laying eggs. These can climb trees and also brood. This other guy. Yeah, so I guess this was the first born. It came yesterday, last night. We have still two more eggs to go. Look at her. Okay, she's taking her eggs back. Okay, take this also. Oh, I'm gonna say hi. Hi. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the viewers. What do you wanna say? Welcome. Welcome to the world. Welcome to Earth. Alright, there you go. Enjoy. Remove some more shells. Anything that can be harmful or they won't. We hope that they won't actually eat them. So okay, there you go. It's all nice and clean, warm enough. I let her go back to brood the those two more eggs. Actually, we have to check those eggs if this is really if you have any cracks on them, any sound. Okay, so I don't feel anything here, but we'll see. It may take extra day. All right, that may take a day or two. I'm not sure. Those are from different breeds, so I think the shell, the coating on the egg might be a little thicker, might need extra heat. So we're gonna leave her for one more day, but we actually have to feed her. So what we usually do here is when we have baby chicks, we give them turmeric water. It's kind of an antibiotic that we use. It's not a medicine, just something Ayurvedic that we do. Okay, so it just cleans out or whatever parasites they have. They might have got after the birth. Um, I did prepare feed uh, for the mother and also the babies. It's a mixture of 5 grains, millets and all. So I made it like fine powder, better than what you buy on the store, in the store, at the store, wherever you buy. All right, thank you guys. Take care. Please subscribe and watch some more. Yeah, thank you.